you see the file? Can you see the group list?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 groups in this class. But I don't know, maybe there are some students who are dropped out or are not regular and all that. That I have not checked yet. So you please let me know if somebody is dropping out and all, because now like 55 students present, but here the list shows 58. 55 students आए हैं. So maybe they are not coming. 3 students are not coming, or they are not interested, or they have left. Yeah. So you please do all that. Yeah. So each group, as you can see, I have given one project. Yeah, one case. It's actually one case. So what you need to do? Can you see this screen? The word file. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Word file में क्या है? इसको थोड़ा समझिए ठीक से. Yeah, so each group has been assigned a climate change project, each group has been assigned a climate change project which they have to jointly do. What we expect from you? Yeah, read the case very carefully and use your dictionary to understand some terms which you do not know. Also refer to our slides. Yeah, because many of the cases, you can link with our slides, and this is to do with climate change in the courseware on different aspects of climate change to understand it in detail, or if you need any specific data, some specific data. First, identify the issues and problems relating to climate change in the case. Yeah, in the case, they very clearly mention about the issues and problems. Secondly, find out what are the challenges of addressing climate change issues in that particular case. Third, list the strategies, suggestions or recommendations to mitigate. Mitigate means to reduce the impact of climate change or address climate change impacts. Yeah, mitigate means that what needs to be done. Yeah, what needs to be done so that the climate change impact is mitigated or reduced. Fourthly, what are the lessons learned? Yeah, these are 4 things that you have to do. These 4 things. Yeah, identify the issues and problems relating to climate change in the case. Secondly, find out the challenges. Third is list the strategies, suggestions, recommendations to mitigate or address climate change impacts. Fourthly, what are the lessons learned? Now, you see the case is very small cases, and most of them, all the cases are from USA. But anyway, we also have such cases, but these cases I could find in a particular place, so that's why I have given you these cases. Yeah. So you can use related pictures and videos to make your project more attractive and analytical. Those who do that will get more marks. Yeah, related pictures and videos, so that your project becomes more attractive and analytical. Yeah. One thing, of course, I will always tell you is that don't go for copy-paste. So submit your project online, giving minimum 6 pages of write-up in your own words, 1.5 line spacing, excluding pictures, videos and figures. Excluding, which means it should not include everything and make it 6 pages. No, 6 pages of write-up should be there. And 4 people are doing one project. So you have 4 minds actually working in a group. And I expect that all of you should work in a group. Yeah. I will tell you what will happen if you don't work in a group. So no copy-paste allowed. If you do that, you will be marked 0. If possible, each group has to make presentations online. Date will be given to you, sometime later. The last date for submission is 15 July. When is your semester ending? कुछ पता है? ये semester कब खत्म हो रही है?
9th July.
July 31.
July 31. So I can give you some more days, maybe 20th July. Yeah, 20th July. For the sustainability group project, the same groups will work. Those who are working for climate change project will undertake the sustainability project. Now, sustainability के लिए I have not given you any this thing. There's no cases. What you have to do is, you will have to identify one organization which is relevant to their branch or whatever. It could be agriculture, horticulture, whatever your interest is. Aquaculture, biotechnology, construction, transportation, highways. Similarly, EEE, ECE and CSE will look at one organization, any organization. And you find out from the net, relevant to their branch. Mechanical can do, for example, on automobile industry. Look at the net. You will get a lot of information on how organizations today have to be responsible towards the environment, have to report on sustainability. Yeah, you will find plenty of. Please close your mic. Yeah. So look at the net and you will get a lot of information. Please select any organization. It could be a dairy organization. It could be any production organization. Yeah, something they are engaged in production. What they need to do. Yeah, which has production activity. And they have to report on sustainability. You will get a lot of information in the net. Integrated any organization you take and how it is functioning. And you apply. You look at any organization and how they are functioning. Yeah, you will get some idea. Then you apply the integrated sustainability reporting framework to that organization. And then you say what all they need to do. And this has been taught in the class. There are two sets of slides. Yeah, two sets of slides actually that are already there. One more I have uploaded, which is a simplified version. Please go through it carefully. Yeah, please go through it carefully and you will know what reporting they have to do as an organization, whether it's automobile, whether it's dairy, whether it is some fruit company, fruit value addition kar rahe or whatever. Yeah. So deliverables you will make 10 points on sustainability reporting, which means that you have to say what that particular organization has to report on sustainability. Sustainability के लिए वो क्या report करना चाहते हैं? Depending on the activity that they are doing, depending on the product that they are coming out with. Please read all the slides on sustainability to understand what it means. Remember that there are 3 pillars of sustainability: economic, social, and environment. Yeah. This is very important for you to remember. Yeah. So these are the guidelines. These are the guidelines, right? We will come back to the guidelines. Let us go to the group. Yeah, let's go to the group 1. This is group 1. There are 15 groups. Yeah. You will click on this. Okay. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen? Yeah, this is one case. Yeah, probably the first. Strawberry growers reap benefits with less spray, more science. You go through this. These are just small cases, but you have to apply your knowledge in answering the questions that I have asked you. Yeah? You have to go through it very carefully.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, चुप रहो.
These are just small cases to give you some idea. But when you analyze it, and look at the questions that I've asked you, you have to answer them according to what I've asked you. These are just cases. Yeah, understand it. Also, you can look at related information in the net.
क्या बोल रही है यार ये? कितना प्रोजेक्ट बनवाएगी? 2 प्रोजेक्ट तो दे चुकी है.
To answer those questions. Right? If you don't understand, you can ask me later. Okay, let us look at another one. Yeah, This is also another one. Just for wildfires before they burn. This is also related to climate change. These are all climate change cases. Yeah. So again the same things. You will go through it. This is just a case. You will apply your knowledge to this in answering those questions. Now what are those questions? These are the questions. Yeah. Understanding you have to, do the analysis. Yeah, copy paste तो बहुत लोग करेंगे. I cannot help it because वो आपका आदत पड़ चुका है. But that copy paste is not going to help because I'm going to give you very less marks or fail you. So please, yes, lobster is the bigger version of shrimp. Yeah, shrimp को क्या कहते हैं उड़िया में? चिंगुड़ी. And in Hindi it's chinga or something. Lobster is a bigger version of that. Yeah, fishing like tiger prawns and all. Fishing community confronts their climate change. So this is about how the fishing community confronts their climate change. See, the thing is, you may think that it's very easy because everything in terms of, those questions. Apply your knowledge, apply your understanding about climate change issues. Yeah, it may not be all perfect, but at least you can do something on your own by doing that kind of analysis. Yeah, everything is here, but you have to write in your own words what you have understood, how you're trying to look at it, right? So that is how it has to be done. I will not go through all of it, but what I just want to say is that you please find out who are the people who are not very regular. Yeah, ये सारा है. If you don't understand, you will ask me. There are last two groups. There are 3 people. Yeah, in all the other projects, the group size is 4. Yeah, there are 15 groups. All these are 4 people. The last 2 groups, yeah, Akarshan Kumar, Anil Raj, and Anjali Singh. That is one group which has 3 members, and the next one also Ritesh Kumar, Balchandra Das, and Sai Krishna Sahu. There are 3 people. So these are the 2, but that's okay. Yeah. So this is what it is. So let us go back to the guidelines. So ये guidelines को आप ठीक से पढ़िए. Integrated Sustainability Reporting Framework is something you have to read very carefully and apply it to the organization that you're looking at. Yeah. Anybody wants to ask any question? So if you don't understand anything, please ask me now.